We're a 40-foot cat and we've made inquiry about a berth tonight, please. Over.
You said you're making inquiries about the Dockyard?
Yeah, we sent an email and the lady, Danny, as it came back to us and said, yeah, that's fine. Over.
What's your location?
We are just off the Dockyard in the marina area.
Question for you, do you have to clear at customs and immigration?
Negative, we've already checked into Antigua 2 weeks ago, over.
Okay, well just give me a few minutes, I'll be with you shortly.
Okay, standing by on 69. Have you? You're always in trouble, aren't you? What do you like? You're not allowed in that area, can't you tell?
I can tell her. I want to see her inside.
Oh.
Excuse me.
There you are, getting told off again.
Excuse me. I broke my sign. I'm sorry.
Look who's back.
Hi guys.
Nelson's Dockyard is situated in English Harbour. It is so well protected the English started to build the dockyard from 1728 until it was abandoned in 1889. Lord Nelson served as captain of HMS Boreas and was positioned at English Harbour from 1784 for 3 years. It is recognised as one of the best herring holes in the Caribbean. The restoration started in the 1950s and the yard has been in use ever since.
Since the interview we made with Louis Tagneto back in Gibraltar about the plastic in the ocean, so I thought I would show you what changes we made in the galley. So, like, instead of using this normal plastic film, I now use all of this stuff, which so I can have these silicone bags. They are amazing, very, very nice, very easy to use. You just open like this, and they can, if you want to put a sauce inside, it's very easy. Or if you want to put just some vegetables like this, and close. And conserves really well in the fridge for a long, long time. It's really, really good. other things really good are these plastic, these lids, these silicone lids. So they are reusable, you can wash, and I have been using these ones way before. They are a bit yellow. I have been using this for, I don't know, more than a year, and they are still good, but since they are square, they don't fit very well in the bowls, so I bought these ones instead. These ones are very, very good. So you have different, they come in different sizes, and if you just wrap them out around the bowl like this, and if it's liquid, it doesn't come off. It's very good. And then I have the wax paper, which you can use to wrap anything that you open in the fridge, really. It used to be very expensive, but now it's very affordable. So it's like a piece of cheese. You just wrap it. And you can reuse this. You can wash and reuse too. So it's a good option, very good option too. And now we have these bags. They come in all different sizes. It's to take to the supermarket and buy your vegetables. It's great because they already have the weight of the bag here, and they are transparent, so on the till they can see what you have inside, and then you don't need to use those plastic bags in the vegetables. This is very, very easy changes that you can do in your kitchen, and we can all do it, and we can help a bit doing just these small changes.
Sit in the middle.
I hope you enjoyed the video where we are still in Antigua.
Here we are. We're here for a month till in end, aren't we?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And yeah, we went to Jolly Harbour there, again back to Jolly Harbour to stay the night and get the boat all cleaned up for Rafaela turning up, full of water tanks up and things like that.
Uh-huh.
And Rafaela, that's your youngest?
The youngest, yes.
She arrived first?
She arrived first, and then 3 days later Jessica arrived. They stayed only for a week.
Yeah, it wasn't long enough really.
No.
And we went down to English Harbour, which is where Nelson's Dockyard is. You've got English Harbour and Falmouth Harbour right next door to each other, and absolutely beautiful. It's a World Heritage Site.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's beautiful, very well kept, very tidy, beautiful boats there. And
they've been repairing boats there ever since Nelson's days, so it's quite an historic place really, especially for the British. So that was good.
Yes. And then we have
we had a beach bonfire.
As we like it.
Yeah, as we like it. With the girls on the first night. You're struggling to get that started though, weren't you?
Yeah. Matches are not good.
Yeah, the matches weren't quite good enough, I don't think.
No.
And we decided to scrub the bottom of the boat, give it a good clean, because it's been growing terrible weed. And it started way back in September in Gibraltar. So we gave it a bit of a scrub, but actually it was so bad that we decided in the end that we were going to have the boat out of the water and do a proper job on the hull, which will be coming up in a couple of programs' time actually.
Yes, yes. And then we found out that we had a net around the prop.
Yeah, well I've been sort of feeling that there was a slight vibration in the boat when it was under power. For a few days, and absolutely it was it was
really
fishing net with some rope all wrapped around there, so we got that off, and that was all fine again, wasn't it?
Yes, it was good. All good. What else?
Well, you talked about your plastic saving techniques.
Yes, that's just a few changes we made in the kitchen. So since we had that program with Lewis about the plastic,
it's called Plastic Ocean. We'll put the link below if you wish to watch it. It's an interview about basically what yachting people can do to save on the plastic going into the ocean.
And those are the little changes I made, which make a lot of difference. You will see if all of us make a little bit
of difference here and there, it's bound to help.
Yeah, it helps.
I had a good bomb in the high field. I was all on my own because Carla went.
He's just loving the high field. It's just a toy. It's a boy with a toy.
It's great because I was on it on my own, you see, so it was so light. I was absolutely flying along. I enjoyed that. So we hope you enjoyed that video.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you can follow us on Patreons. Come on, guys, don't be shy. Just follow us on Patreons. Help us. Supporting there. You can for just $1 or $2 or $5, whatever you want to choose, you can have some extra videos, and you can always have exclusive
merchandise. That's right, absolutely. Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you for supporting us.
Bye.